All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Thank you so much for coming to the ribbon cutting expansion for KL Engineering. We're super excited to be seeing this expansion. I remember being here for the ribbon cutting officially way back. So it seems like so long ago. 2017, yeah. So it's been a while. I can't believe it's been that long. But it's really exciting to see this expand and grow. I'm Brandon. I'm with the Fitchburg Chamber, Director of Partnerships and Events. I'm going to bring up the mayor, and she's going to say a few words for us. So, Mayor Julia.
So thank you, everyone, for being here. Thank you, Kim, for inviting us to be part again for this expansion. And I want to say that I am, you're a trailblazer, you created this company more than 30 years ago. You are a role model for female leaders, too. So I want to say thank you, and thank you for continuing investing in Fitchburg. You decided to stay here. I remember I was here, too, when we did the first, ribbon cutting. And also you decided to expand and stay here in this building. So I want to say thank you very much. Thank you to all your team. We have a great partnership with the city. We have been collaborating in several projects with the city, so it's great to work with you guys, with your team. I more know about Mike and Sam. These are the two people that I have been more in touch in my years at the city of Fitchburg. But I want to say thank you. And also you're a city Fitchburg resident, and also you're part of the Public Works Board. So I want to say thank you for your service too.
Well, first of all, thank everybody for coming here today. We really do appreciate it. We are very proud to be in Fitchburg. We actually have been in Fitchburg since 1998, 26 years. We were previously on the corner of PD and Seminole Highway, right across from Oak Bank. And then we outgrew that space quite well, it's where First Choice Dental, I think, is. So a lot of people know that where that landmark is. We grew there. We were on the second floor. Then we started taking over every little suite in the first floor that was available, and then finally decided that was not going to do it. We needed more space, and thanks to Mr. Benjamin here, he was our landlord over there. We worked with him. We said we need more space. We want to be somewhere, but we have some very specific requirements that we needed for a building. We have underground parking, and if anybody wants to go on a tour afterwards, we'll take you on a tour of the building and show you what we have. But underground parking is important for us because we have 5, 6 survey vehicles, and our survey equipment is very, very expensive. And so to have it in a locked, secured place in the evenings, so we save like an hour's worth of time of the surveyor's time, not having to load and unload every day when they go somewhere. So things like that we went through with some of the amenities we had and looked at several different buildings with Dale, all in Fitchburg, and then decided that he was going to build this building. We decided that this was a good match for us, and it has really turned out wonderful. Like I said, we moved in here in 2017. We had like 3/4 of this floor and a lot of empty space at that point in time. But KL Engineering has grown just like the city of Fitchburg has grown. We'll be in business 33 years. Next month I started one person and added one, and as we have gone along, and now it is, we're over 100 people. I think I do look at 106 timesheets right now. But our services have expanded quite a bit. We basically started out as mostly doing transportation kind of work and the things related to that and the core specialty of transportation. But, we've expanded to do private development work, site development work. We do parks, trails, and recreation. We've gotten into that kind of area a little bit. We're doing quite a bit with EV, with the plug-ins for the electronic stations, and a lot of street lighting, the communities that are converting over to LED lighting, and so we've got an electrical department. So our services have expanded, and while our services has expanded, we've had to add more employees with, different kinds of skill set to do it. But all along, I don't see it in here. We've tried to maintain our core values, and our core values really sort of reflect the same core values we feel that the city of Fitchburg has. So we feel this is a really good community for us because we so much match with how the city of Fitchburg wants to treat its employees and wants to treat its residents. We want to treat our employees that same way, and our clients and our colleagues. So we're very happy to be here. Like I said, we've been here for over 26 years. And one of the things we wanted to mention is in the last couple of years, we've applied for the bike certification, bike business community, and we've received the silver certification. We've done a lot of things to encourage people for biking and walking, and that we have bike racks down in the basement. We have biking events. We're a member of the Sustained Dane Council, and so it's like I said, it really reflects the things that Fitchburg is trying to do. In many ways, parallel the things that KL Engineering wants to do, and we really appreciate the welcome that everybody has given us in this community for this many years, and we're so proud to be here, and we plan to stay. We do have other offices in Wisconsin, but this is where our headquarters are, and this is where we intend to keep our headquarters. So we appreciate that, and thank you very much. Scott, did you want to just say a few words, or?
Sure, yeah.
Scott was in charge of all the expansion, so that's sort of what we're doing here in the thing, so I don't know much about that.
Oh, come on. So Scott started with Kim in 2000 when I was 12, and they didn't have reading glasses, but joke. Just a couple thank yous to some folks that are here, just a little bit about the building. We can give you tours and things later, but yeah, as Kim mentioned, when we first moved in 2017, we occupied about 3/4 of the floor in the space you're in now. Dale was incredibly helpful. The folks at Iconica and Layardall also were helpful then, back in 2017, and then we knew we needed to expand into this space here. And again, Dale became a great friend and very helpful, and Jeremy and the team at Jeff and Cole is here, and Cody, who helped a lot on the project from Iconica, incredibly helpful, and Chris and her team at Layardall kind of made it seamless. You know, as you walk in now, hopefully you don't kind of notice the fact that we expanded. It all looks like one piece, and I think the team did a great job doing that. So Kim mentioned some things that we're doing for sustainability, which is a big movement in the city of Fitchburg that we believe strongly in. Talked about the silver level bike certification that we have, bike-friendly business, and we're corporate members of Sustained Dane, and then just some things internally that we're doing Iconica helped us with, just the lighting that we're doing, automatically on and off at night, and our AC and HVAC system is efficient. And then just another thing we're doing right in the room that we're in now is a member, we belong to the Green Box, so we're trying to recycle as much as we can, or reuse food scraps and food waste as much as we can. So all things that Fitchburg believes in, and we do too, like Kim said. We're proud to be a member of the community and believe in the same thing. So with that, thanks much for coming.